superstar ako. Tinutupad ko siya isa-isa at sana matupad ko yun hanggang pagiging superstar, diba? Naman ng babae, siguro gustong maging cover ng FHM kasi FHM ay FHM. Siyempre, pinapangarap natin yan and ngayon natupad na, sobrang saya ko. Check ko na sa bucket list ko.
It was really fun. Actually, like, I wasn't like that afraid. Hindi ako natakot kasi, I mean, like, nakita nun ng buong mundo yung katawan ko. So, it's not an excuse for me not to say no to pose for FHM.
Crush ko siya! Oo, napaka-girl crush naman ako. Crush ko si Daniel. Ang ganda niya, ang sexy niya, may abs siya. Hot.
Crush ko din si Jade. I mean, I'm attracted to her. Like, kahit sino namang girl na makikita si Jade will compliment her. Definitely. Hi guys, please grab a copy of me and Jade Lopez on the cover for February issue. It's only 140 pesos. You can get that in Stan. Grab a copy. Thanks.
Guys, please grab a copy of FHM Feb issue with me and Daniel Castaño on the cover. Okay to. Okay to mga tol.